I don't know specifically about Jewish culture or books or libraries, but the main advice that I would apply for any person in life, Jewish or not, is the fact that if you have a dream, you have to go for it. I mean, look at this library. I took 7.5 years of my life before it finally opened. I had 3 failures in 2009. I walked away after the second failure, but quickly came back to take it on the chin a third time in 2009. But still I didn't quit. You know, so many people, you can hear it all the time, wherever you are, whoever the person is. You hear people talking about, if I was president of this or that, if I was president of the United States, or if I was king of the world, this is what I would do to make the world a better place. And all it is talk. I mean, most people don't actually do anything to make the world a better place, in small or big ways. They figure, okay, I'm this one little person, I can't do anything, I have no power, no influence, no connections, which I didn't have when I started with the library. But if you have a dream, you have to follow it through. I mean, it's like Master Yoda said, you know, I'm misquoting, I'm sure here, but, you know, anyway, what he said basically was you can't do or don't do. I mean, there is no try, you just do the thing. Oh my God, I should know that quote. But since I have the films for the library, since I started Harrison Ford and Carrie Fisher, but the main point is you just do the thing. And so what if you have failures and setbacks and roadblocks and barriers and obstacles, and you stumble and you fall down and you get misdirected, misguided, and completely turned around at times, and believe me, it happened to me. But the simple fact is, if you have a dream and you feel strongly about it, the only way it's ever going to come to reality is if you actually do the thing, no matter how many times you fail. Because if you care enough, you're just going to continue. So my best advice is just do the thing.